think I have fish. I have a fish. Oh, I really don't hope there's a fucking snake here. I just looked at Google Maps and I think I found the perfect place to fish. It's been a very long time since I caught something and I really have to. It feels kind of ridiculous that I haven't caught something yet, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Actually, I'm shooting this video in D-Log M, so I will have to color correct this footage by myself, and it will be a little bit scary because it's my first time color grading or color correcting or what you call it, and I really hope that the footage comes out nice. If it looks like shit, it's just me bad at color grading. But I will try my best, I promise. We're here, guys. I'm just gonna show you how it looks first. Look here. It has to be fishes here. And it's been warm for a couple of days, so they should be a lot higher up in the water right now, I think. And I need to stop fucking looking at the viewfinder and start looking in the lens. So I'm talking to you guys, not me or myself. See on this side as well. Look at this, bros. Holy. Let's catch some fish, guys. I'm so hyped. I really believe in this place. So guys, I really believe in a popper right now because it's kind of shallow waters actually. See? Wait, can I show you maybe better? You see, it's pretty shallow. So I think a popper could be a good start actually. Let's see, should I go with this popper or should I go with this? A frog popper. I actually gonna start with this one. Get it. Right, I think I need to put you guys somewhere else so you can see where I throw it as well. So what to change to? I wish I had a little bit more choices because there are not many here. This one, do you remember? I really believe in this one. Let's throw a couple of times on this side and then I'm gonna go to the other side and test. I just noticed something. The sun is maybe in your eyes, so I'm gonna move you guys and hopefully we'll get a better picture. No! fucking hell. Did you see it, guys? I got a fucking fish. Holy shit, there are fishes here. I'm gonna change the position so you can guys see better. Fuck yes. Let's get this motherfucker. He's mine. Finally. Come on, you fucking bitch. Come to me. Alright, wait. I need to get all the stuff. Now I got my knife and my what do you call this? I don't know. Let's do this. Now the fucking fish is shy. We will get him. Let's go to this side. Maybe it will be better for you guys. We'll see. I think I have fish. I have a fish. No! Oh, that was a big one. I think I need to jank it harder. Oh. So I got 2 bites and I have to get one up. I'm not gonna finish fishing today. I changed to this one because every time I got a fish on the hook, it was when I didn't pay attention, it fall to the bottom. So this one will go a little bit deeper, I think. We'll see. Wish me luck. Alright, so the fishes are fucking pussies. They don't wanna come back. So we're gonna try on the other side, on this side, and see how it goes. But first I'm gonna change to the green little one again. It gave me a little bit of luck. This one. Alright, let's do these. I'm kinda hyped now when I got a little bit of fishes. Or they tasted my hook a little bit, but you know. Let's see how this place will do. Right, guys, where to set you up? I think over here maybe. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna try the first spot again, because this place was very hard to cast at because it's so narrow. I know a lot of guys can cast narrow, but not me. So let's see. I would like to go to that fucking stone over there, but I don't know if it's possible. Let's walk a little bit in here and see what's happening. A lot of fucking water. Oh, I really don't hope there's a fucking snake here. Then I'm fucked. Because the nearest hospital is like many hours. Fuck, it was fucking water over here. Ah! Can we do this without dying? We'll see. Oh, water. Okay, I can't do this. Too much water everywhere. Holy shit. Let's stand on this side. I don't like that the sun is going down. It's not very good. Guys, I don't know. I feel so defeated and I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna try on this side as well before I head home, you know. I really want to have this fish. And I need a good thumbnail. Hee. Well guys, I'm so sad. We got two fishes tasted the hook. What do you call it? Two baits maybe? Hooks? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna pack it up because I'm getting too hungry. I'm getting a little bit mad actually. Because why the fuck did they not stick on the fucking hook, man? Oh, alright. What can you do? Fuck man, it feels like I'm letting you down guys. We got more lucky than the last times we were out. They are starting to appear, the fishes I mean. Maybe I have to try tomorrow or maybe later today. I really want the fish up. I'm just gonna head home. I'm going to eat as usual and then edit this video. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video either way. And if you did, like and subscribe. Leave a comment also what you thought was funny, or you wanna just tell me how bad this video is. I don't know. And remember guys, this is my first time color grading a video, so maybe it looks good, maybe it's not, I don't know. But yeah, I see you in the next one. Bye.